Torrential slide value equivalent to $9.2590 a coin. The present reach, $9.1020. $9.4480. The earlier day close, $9.2190. The change was plus 0.0400. Plus 0.43%. Backwards rate. United States dollars to Avax. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Avalanche cost expectation for September 2023. At the outset cost at $9.98. Most extreme cost $10.14. Least cost $7.84. The normal for the month $9.12. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $8.51. Change for September 14.7%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. Before all else cost at $8.51. Most extreme cost $9.05. Least cost $7.25. The normal for the month $8.17. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $7.86. Change for October 7.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for November 2023. At the outset cost at $7.86. Most extreme cost $7.86. Least cost $6.14. The normal for the month $7.12. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $6.60. Change for November 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. To start with cost at $6.60. Greatest cost $6.94. Least cost $6.04. The normal for the month $6.52. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $6.49. Change for December 1.7%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2024. In the first place cost at $6.49. Greatest cost $6.49. Least cost $5.57. The normal for the month $6.14. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $5.99. Change for January 7.7%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. First and foremost cost at $5.99. Most extreme cost $5.99. Least cost $4.68. The normal for the month $5.42. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $5.03. Change for February 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for WAC 2024. Before all else cost at $5.03. Most extreme cost $5.19. Least cost $4.51. The normal for the month $4.90. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $4.85. Change for spring 3.6%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. In the first place cost at $4.85. Greatest cost $5.39. Least cost $4.69. The normal for the month $4.99. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $5.04. Change for April 3.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2024. At the outset cost at $5.04. Most extreme cost $5.04. Least cost $4.06. The normal for the month $4.63. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $4.37. Change for May 13.3%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. First and foremost cost at $4.37. Greatest cost $5.42. Least cost $4.37. The normal for the month $4.81. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $5.07. Change for June 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for July 2024. In the first place cost at $5.07. Greatest cost $5.07. Least cost $3.96. The normal for the month $4.59. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $4.26. Change for July 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. Initially cost at $4.26. Most extreme cost $4.26. Least cost $3.33. The normal for the month $3.86. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $3.58. Change for August 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for September 2024. To start with, cost at $3.58. Greatest cost $4.29. Least cost $3.58. The normal for the month $3.87. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $4.01. Change for September 12.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for October 2025. At the outset, cost at $2.23. Most extreme cost $2.77. Least cost $2.23. The normal for the month $2.46. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $2.59. Change for October 16.1%. Avalanche cost expectation for November 2025. Initially cost at $2.59. Most extreme cost $3.21. Least cost $2.59. The normal for the month $2.85. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $3. Change for November 15.8%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for December 2025. In the first place, cost at $3.00. Greatest cost $3.63. Least cost $3. The normal for the month $3.26. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $3.39. Change for December 13.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2026. First and foremost, cost at $3.39. Greatest cost $3.39. Least cost $2.65. The normal for the month $3.07. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $2.85. Change for January 15.9%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. At the outset, cost at $2.85. Most extreme cost $2.85. Least cost $2.22. The normal for the month $2.58. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $2.39. Change for February 16.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for WOC 2026. First and foremost, cost at $2.39. Greatest cost $2.96. Least cost $2.39. The normal for the month $2.63. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $2.77. Change for spring 15.9%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. Initially cost at $2.77. Greatest cost $3.43. Least cost $2.77. The normal for the month $3.05. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $3.21. Change for April 15.9%. Torrential slide cost